Arbor shims are in your kit packaged in groups of 10 in small bags. They are gray and are used on the 4-link bars, as you can see here, on all ends. And they're also used for your spindles. It's important that your 4 bars are as parallel to each other as possible. When setting your 4 links, we recommend running the upper arm on the top front hole, the lower arm, the lower front hole, the rear arm in the lower hole on the rear end, and lower on the rear end. We recommend setting the panhard bar in the upper hole. This will usually allow it to be parallel to the rear end.